Ever posted a reel, crossed your fingers, and got 14 views?
Or worse, 0, from your own mom's account.
Here's the thing. It's not your content, it's the strategy. And today we're breaking down digital marketing, not with jargon, but with actual examples that help you earn, grow, and maybe even go full-time from your dorm room.
Whether you're a student trying to land freelance gigs or someone who just Googled what is digital marketing 10 minutes ago, this episode is for you.
We're talking about what digital marketing really is, why it's not just ads and algorithms, and why it might be the smartest side hustle in 2025.
No MBA needed, no boring definitions, just real talk.
Let's start with the obvious. Digital marketing is everywhere. Every scroll, tap, like, it's not random. It's designed.
And the cool part, you don't need to work at Google or Meta to be part of it. In fact, more students are using digital marketing skills to earn income, from UGC gigs to running pages for local brands, or even growing their own digital products.
The economy's shifting. Traditional student jobs like tutoring or cafe shifts are getting replaced by side hustles you can do on your phone in your pajamas.
And digital marketing is at the center of all of it.
So what is digital marketing? Really, it's just using the internet to get attention, build trust, and drive action. That could be selling a product, getting someone to sign up, or just building hype around your content.
It's basically the psychology of why we click. You know when you see a post and think,
This just feels like me.
that's not random, that's positioning.
Digital marketing taps into human behavior. It's like this. If content is the magnet, digital marketing is the compass that helps you point that magnet toward the right people.
Sticky quote alert, content without marketing is like telling a joke in an empty room. It might be funny, but no one's there to hear it.
Let's call it out. Most beginners think digital marketing is just posting consistently.
Or worse, boosting posts and praying. The throw $100 at it and hope method.
Another big one, trying to be everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, Threads, YouTube, all at once without understanding why they're posting there.
Here's the fix. Instead of trying to do everything, focus on what you actually enjoy and where your audience actually spends time.
It's like dating. You wouldn't ask someone to marry you on the first DM, so don't pitch your course or service without building trust first.
Quick plug, if you're loving this, we've got more tips, guides, and beginner strategies waiting for you at explainur.com. Head over after the episode. Bookmark it, binge it later.
All right, so you're sold on digital marketing, but where do you even start?
2 words, learn and apply.
Start with simple platforms, Instagram, Canva, and a Notes app. Create one piece of value-driven content per week. That's it.
Use free tools like Canva for design, Notion for planning, and ChatGPT, yes, hi, for writing ideas or captions.
Start building a swipe file. Save ads, posts, reels you love. Don't just scroll, study the scroll.
And no, you don't need to be a designer. If you can make memes, you can learn content marketing.
One more quote for the nerds. Marketing is just empathy at scale. You're not shouting, you're listening and helping.
Let's talk real examples.
There's Priya, a 19-year-old who used Canva and Instagram Reels to land her first UGC brand deal without showing her face.
Or Jaden, who started running Facebook ads for his uncle's gym. Now he's making $12K a month as a part-time media buyer.
And you maybe start a faceless study page. Maybe you review gadgets on YouTube Shorts. Maybe you just help your college fest get more people to show up.
All of that is digital marketing. You're not waiting to get hired, you're practicing while earning.
So here's the TLDR. Digital marketing is about getting attention and trust online. It's built on psychology, not just platforms.
You don't need tech skills to start. You just need curiosity and consistency.
And as a student, it's the perfect side hustle. Low investment, flexible, and it actually builds long-term career capital.
Today, take 5 minutes and build your swipe file. Open Instagram or YouTube and save 3 posts that stopped your scroll. Ask, what made them click?
And if you're feeling bold, remix one of them with Canva or CapCut, just for fun. Post it if you dare.
If this episode gave you even one aha moment, hit that follow button like it owes you money.
Or better, send this to a friend who's one motivational reel away from becoming the next creatorpreneur.
And don't forget, for more tips, strategies, and real talk guides, head to explainur.com.
Thanks for tuning in. Go experiment, stay curious, and don't just scroll, market the scroll.